Hi, first grade friends. Please write your name at the top of your paper. Awesome, way to go. Today we are using our spelling shapes. We're going to look closely at the letter shapes that make each word. Then we're going to use words to fill in the spelling shapes. Our first word is at. At. I can see that at has two letters, one short, one tall. So I need to find the shape that has two boxes, one short, one tall. That would be right down here at the bottom. At. My next word is bat. Bat. I know that bat has three letters. The B is tall, the A is short, and the T is tall. So I'm looking for tall, short, tall. And I see that pattern right here. B, A, T. See my tall box, short box, tall box. My next word is cat. K-A-T, cat. Cat has three letters. The first letter, K, is short. Second letter, A, short. Third letter, T, tall. So I'm looking for short, short, tall. Can you find a box that has a short box, tall box? That's right here at the top. K-A-T, cat. My next word is hat. H-A-T, hat. Hat has three letters. The H is tall, A is short, T is tall. So tall, short, tall. I see that right here. A-T, hat. My next word is pal. P-A-L, pal. Pal has a basement letter, a short letter, and a tall letter. So basement, short, tall. I see that right here. P-A-L, pal. My next word is bag. B-A-G, bag. I see that bag has three letters with a tall letter B, short letter A, basement letter G. B-A-G. So tall, short, basement. And I see that right here. B-A-G, bag. My next word is cap. K-A-P, cap. Cap has three letters. Short letter, basement letter. So short, basement. Cap. Oh, I see that right here at the bottom. K-A-P, cap. Our next word is had. H-A-D, had. Tall letter, short letter, tall letter. Tall, short, tall. See that right here? H-A-D, had. My next word is nab. N-A-B, nab. My pattern is short, short, tall. I see that right here at the top. A, b, nab. And my last word, tag. T, a, g, tag. Tag has 3 letters. The pattern, tall, short, basement. T is a tall letter, T. A is a short letter, A. G is a basement letter, G. Tag. Way to go. You did great. All right, my friends, we are looking for hidden words. There are words hidden in the picture, and we're going to write the words on the line as we find them. The first word I see, I'm going to circle it. The word is pal. P-A-L. Pal. Please write pal. P-A-L. Pal. My next word I see, circle it. The word is hat. At. Hat. At. Hat. Our next word I see over here on the other wall. I'm going to circle it. The word is had. H-A-D. Had. Please write had. H-A-D. Had. Oh, I see another word right here on this piece of paper. The word is bat. B-A-T. Bat. Please write bat. B. A. T. Bat. Right here on the bean bag, I see the word nab. N-A-B. Nab. Please write nab. N-A-B. Nab. Right here on the book, I see the word bag. B-A-G. Bag. B. A. G. Make sure that G goes into the basement. Bag. Oh, right here on this book, the word is at. 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 Please write at. 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 Our next word right here on this book is the word cat. K-A-T. Cat. K-A-T. Cat. Up here on the top of the wall, I see the word cap. K-A-P. Cap. K. A. P. Cap. Last word down here in the corner, the word is tag. T-A-G. Tag. T-A-G. Tag. Way to go, boys and girls. Thank you for your hard work today.